optimized Conway of life. It's not finished, and we made some mistakes in the previous video. So in the Conways function section, we've added a function index here, and then we've added these optimized tile map access functions. So this is an optimized putter that takes all of these inputs. Pause here to read those. We're not writing it in this video, just stubbing it in. We also have an optimized getter with all of these inputs, and we're not going to finish this in this video. We're just stubbing it in here. And in rule set 2, we made some huge mistakes. First of all, we're going to need these optimized getters and putters here. And the names of these were wrong in the previous video because I omitted the fact that we need to know what room we're getting or putting a tile from, right? So here's our putter, here's our getter. And we just stripped the namespace off these to make it a little bit shorter because holy crap, these are really long function names. Okay, let's scroll down here. R13 for the room index, and you see that in our loops. Our loops are now triply nested with the room index on the outside, and here is the modified getter for getting the tile, and then down here, another modified getter for getting the tile, and then if we go down here, we have a modified putter for putting a tile, putting the U32 tile with the deletion bit on it. And then we have a putter here that has been modified where we're putting a U32 tile that has the make bit put onto it. We got to close off our triply nested loop. And once again, this is now a triply nested loop rather than a doubly nested loop. So we made a mistake because we didn't account for the room index. We're accounting for the room index in our getter here now. We're accounting for the room index in our putter here. We're accounting for the room index here in our putter here. So we're just fixing up the code in a whole bunch of miscellaneous places. Also, we need to close off our triply nested loop here. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, here's what we did in this video. Like and subscribe. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We do not have time here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic IV MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry game using vertical, horizontal, and four-way blasting proximity mines. Like and subscribe.